Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez.
Hola, my name is Renata McPhail, and I'm the owner of a private educational services company here in Houston called Pre-K to PhD. At Pre-K to PhD, we do private tutoring, test preparation, teacher training, and also I offer one of our exclusive services called our Educational Concierge Service. One of the subject matter specialties that we teach at Pre-K to PhD is Spanish. I've had the amazing opportunity to tutor several individuals as well as a homeschool serving as their Spanish teacher. One of the things that I want to offer to my students is a really authentic Spanish immersion experience and the opportunity to truly interact with the language and the culture. So I designed our first annual Summer Spanish Immersion experience. I'll be taking a group of students with me to Turrialba, Costa Rica for about a month. They will take classes 4 to 5 days a week, full-on immersion. They will live with local families doing homestays where they will only be speaking Spanish. And in addition, I've infused a science component to this trip. They will attend Earth University, where they will tour the grounds and learn about organic and sustainable farming. They will also be able to tour the Costa Rican rainforest and have lessons about the biodiversity of the rainforest. And we will also study marine life on the Atlantic coast of the country. As you can imagine, this experience is really rich and will be amazing for these kids, but it could be rather pricey. And so what I am doing is launching this particular crowdfunding campaign to try to offset the cost of the students who've already committed to going, as well as hopefully raise money so that some of my students who could not come otherwise would have the chance to. With your generous donations, you will help to give these children the opportunity of a lifetime to truly be in a setting where they will blossom in their oral language, in their written language, in their cultural knowledge, as well as some science. This is a project that's very near and dear to my heart. I started learning Spanish when I was in high school here in Houston at what is now known as Carnegie Vanguard. And there I had two teachers that I will never forget. They were amazing, and they instilled a really deep desire in me to not only get my credits or to get AP credit, but to actually take this language beyond the walls of my high school and to really become fluent and use it to enhance my future education and my future career. The same opportunity and the same experiences that I was able to enjoy and that have benefited my life so much, and I know will continue to benefit me as throughout my journey as a scholar, as a teacher, as an entrepreneur, and just as a world citizen who contributes back. So please open your hearts and help me to take as many of my students as I possibly can with me to Costa Rica this summer. Gracias y que le vaya bien.